meron pa kasi akong tatlong estudyante nagna-nursing, and our business was not doing good, right? So I had to come, and then this is what happened. I took care of other people's kids, no, not my kids, but other people's. But then also I tried to improve myself. I went to school, and then I took a master's degree, and on graduation day 2 years later, I was so happy, excited, right? And then a couple of months later, routine mammogram ako, and it was I found out that I had stage 2 breast cancer. So I decided to do chemotherapy for a year and radiation therapy for 1.5 months. So anong napala ko sa pagsusumikap ko dito, and I know people can relate, people nakakonect sa story ko kasi marami ding ganyan dito sa US, no? So ano yung napala ko? Cancer because of stressful living, unhealthy, stressful living. Yan ang itsura ko, no? Bagong hairdo before the start of chemo, and then 1 year after, yan, tumubo na konti yung buhok ko. So, dahil I had to take care of myself, priority number one. Priority number one, kasi noon, bahala na kung anong kakainin, hindi natutulog, kung ano-ano na lang, no? Unhealthy. I decided to give myself the best care. And how did I do it? By first taking the products, the lifestyles product, massively, religiously. When we talk of massive, it is like 1 bottle of Intra a day, and Nutria Plus kasi anti-cancer, I took 15 capsules a day. So until I got back on my feet, but because I could not sustain, hindi ko masusustain yun, ang mahal-mahal kaya, no? Lalo na I didn't have a job. So, ang ginawa ko, nag-umpisa akong part-time, and then when pandemic came, I decided to do full-time, no? Kasi hindi na kailangan lumalabas, no? So, I did it full-time, and then 14 months later, 3 weeks, I became executive director, and then 14 months later, I became a national marketing director, and still aiming for the next level, no? So, we are told this is unusual for us because in the US and Canada we don't mention it, but we are told, but if in the Philippines, how much is your biggest check? So as far as I can remember, I would say 200,000 pesos was my biggest check. So and how was I able to become a national marketing director? Look, we have our group here in New York, New Jersey is getting bigger. And then we do attend trainings and events. We organize our own here. So that's why we're growing by the day. So I'd like to invite everyone to come and be healthy, wealthy, and be a lifestylers. With that, thank you, and to God be all the glory.
Everyone, good morning world. Yan, bakit po ako nandito sa Lifestyles? I'm here in Lifestyles because of my angel upline, GMD Elenita Taganas. So bakit po ako nandito sa Lifestyles? Nagkasakit po ang asawa ko. My husband was diagnosed with moyamoya disease last February of 2020. He was diagnosed with this very hindi regular na sakit, hindi basta-basta. But it has the same signs of symptoms like stroke. So, nagtali lang siya ng sapatos, and then kinaumagahan, half body, paralyzed na po siya, and then he cannot remember me and he can't talk. So, that's why I really pray to God, ano ang kailangan kong gawin para masustain ko o magawa ko kung ano yung nangyari sa buhay namin. And true enough, God answered my prayer through my angel upline at ipinakilala niya po sa akin ang Intra, and I gave Intra continuously to my husband consistently. Of course, at first, I was very skeptical. Hindi rin kaagad ako naniwala because yun nga, syempre, herbal supplement and graduate ako ng PT. And sabi ko, tatanungin ko muna ang mga doctors. But dahil gustong-gusto ko pong gumaling ang aking asawa, kaya binigay ko po sa kanyang Intra. And true enough, you know, by taking the products consistently, every day giving him 1 bottle of Intra, na-regain niya po ang kanyang strength. Ang sabi ng doktor na he will not come back to normal anymore. He will just stay bed-bound and wheelchair-bound for the rest of his life. But right now, he is walking without any assistive device and can do a lot of functional activities. Every day, kasi kasama ko na siyang ginagawa ang business. At dahil napakaganda po ng products natin, very amazing, I decided also to use the products because I have also a diabetes. And of course, because the product is very safe for kids, yan, makikita nyo rin po sa before and after picture naming mag-asawa nung wala pa kami sa lifestyles and we are not taking products na very stress po ang itsura namin. Pero ngayon po, hindi na haggard versus ang aming mga face, di ba? Kitang-kita namang glowing at happy na po kami dahil sa galing ng product at sa ganda ng business na ibinibigay ng lifestyle sa amin. Yan, at dahil very safe and effective, ginawa ko ni rin pong shinare ito sa aking mga pamangkin at ang aking anak na mayroong skin asthma at allergies, na address po iyan dahil sa ating amazing products na Intra. Yan, at dahil po dyan, I decided to share my story because of my big why. Wala po akong ibang source of income dito sa US, but by sharing my story, tama po ang sinabi ni Sir Paul kanina, by sharing your stories to other people, magiging maginhawa ang buhay ninyo.
Thank you for that inspiring stories. Please help me welcome our last speaker. She is a certified public accountant, more than 20 years in the business and achieved the highest position in 3 years, started with a borrowed PHP 10K and now a hotel owner, 2021 runner-up of highest income earner, author of the book Do the Abnormal and Earn Abnormal Income. Please help me welcome, Global Marketing Director, Eva Aradillos. The screen is yours, GMD.
And to all the speakers, testimoniers, ang galing. Of course, ang host, ang galing talaga. And of course, yung mga audience natin. Thank you, thank you, thank you. So, ano ba yung story ko? Yung story ko, I'm an accountant pero born out. So, sabi ko ng husband ko, mag-resign ako. Sabi niya, hindi kaya, hindi pwede, hindi natin afford. So, sabi ko, mag-resign ako. So, nag-resign ako. So, nung nag-resign ako, totoo, hindi namin afford. Nung nag-grade 1 yung anak ko, wala kaming pang tuition, nangutang ako. So pumunta ako ng Amerika. So pagpunta ko sa Amerika, na homesick ako. So sabi ko sa mga kasama ko doon, uwi ako, na homesick ako. Sabi nila, this is America. Ang iba gustong pumunta dito, ikaw uwi ka. So sabi ko, uwi talaga ako. Kaya umuwi talaga ako. Nung dumating ako sa Pilipinas, jobless ako. So naka-receive ako ng letter sa Pag-ibig na i-foreclose yung bahay ko. Nagpanic ako. Kaya bumalik ako sa work. Pagbalik ko sa work in the morning as finance manager, nag-job orientation in the afternoon, hindi na ako bumalik. As in, hindi talaga. Nag-awol. So that was the time that I prayed so hard. God, please help me. Hindi ko na talaga alam gawin ko. Ayaw ko talaga magtrabaho but I have to. Pinagtatawanan na ako. Ang dami ko ng business. May mga partners ako doon sa business ko. Walang nangyari. Ang dami kong job. Tapos sabi nila, buti pa mag-security guard na lang yan si Eva kasi walang ginagawa yung security guard, tingin lang ng tingin. Sabi ko, Lord, pwede ba? Turuan mo ako ng gawin ko. And that was the time na naalala ko yung Intra. Gumamit kasi yung husband ko ng Intra. Nawala yung allergic rhinitis niya. Pero ko naman alam na ganun pala kalaki ng business. Parang maliit na bagay lang. At saka hindi rin ako marunong. I was so shy when I started. Pero kung malaki palang pangarap mo, nakalimutan mo na shy ka. So, nangutang ako ng 10,000. Nagpatulong ako sa upline ko. And you know what? Kasi ang ganda talaga ng opportunity. In less than a year, na fully paid yung bahay ko. Na supposed to be 15 years bayaran. Di ba? Ang galing. So, ito yung buhay ko dati. No? So, ito yung lifestyle ko dati. No? Imagine, kami naka-rent ng bahay. Tapos, ang dalawa kaming family. At saka meron pang iba doon. Imagine, common CR, common sala, common kitchen, but not common husband. No? Buti na lang ngayon, tingnan nyo, yung buhay ko ngayon with lifestyle Lifestyles. Sabi ko nga, kung kailan ako nag-resign, dito guminawa ang buhay ko. Yan, ito na. 3 na yung bahay ko ngayon. Kung gusto ko ng beach, may Sheraton. Kung gusto ko ng city vibes, meron akong BGC. And of course, kung gusto ko ng mini forest, so nandito ako sa top subdivision here. So galing talaga. So ano pa? Ano pang nangyari sa akin dito with Lifestyle? So dati, company car lang ang meron ako. Pero ngayon, no, BM yung car ko, tsaka may 2 pang cars, kahit nga full tank pa gusto ko pa rin tubilan, no? Kasi no, afford na. So ano pa? Ano pang meron dyan with Lifestyles? Nagbago talaga yung buhay ko dito. Thank you, thank you, thank you. Ito yung bahay ko, 6 bedroom, 7 CR. Nung yung friend ko nakarating dito, sabi niya, sa mama mo ba to? Kung hindi, sa akin to. Ano pa yung business mo? Lifestyles business, of course, no? May leveraging kasi dyan, no? Okay, so ano pa? Ano pang meron dyan? So, to, imagine yung anak ko, di ba? Nung nag-grade 1, imagine, no? Na nag-grade 1 siya, nangutang kami para pang tuition. But ngayon, doon siya nag-graduate sa Switzerland. Yung isa naman, doon nag-master sa Paris. So, sila ngayon, 2 nandun sa Paris. Sabi nga nila, ang gaganda daw, ang gagwapo daw ng mga anak ko. O, syempre, nag-intra yan, no? Okay, so ano pa? At saka GMD yung mami nila. So, ano pang meron dito? Ang daming travels talaga. Later, ikwento ko yan, no? Pero, ang na-realize ko, yung para sa akin, a wealthy man is not a man na maraming pera, but a man with many travels and experiences, no? Diba? So ano pa? Ano pang meron dyan? So next, so ito yung mga investments ko kasi dito hindi naman tayo dapat earning lang no? We should be good in multiplying also. So we have rental properties and maraming nakakalam. I have 2 hotels and paper assets also. So ano pa? Ano pang meron dyan? And of course, yung money talaga, may 3 goals para sa akin. Yung first goal is to buy your experience. Second goal is to buy your convenience. And the third one is to help a lot of people. So kasi yung husband ko, din siya, scholar siya dati. No? Sabi nga niya, engineering siya, pero wala siyang calculator. Imagine, but ngayon, no, ang dami na namin scholars, nag-connect lang kami sa isang technical school, and it's my motivation now is to earn more in order to give more. Okay, so ano pa? So, yan ang personality growth. Grabe talaga. So, dati, I was so shy, but ngayon, napaka-confident na, napaka-gutsy na, wala namang masyadong vocabulary, pero nag-write ng book. Kasi ang intention ko lang talaga para ma-inspire ang mga tao. Kasi ang daming nagtatanong how I made it from a borrowed 10,000 to hotel owner. So basahin niyo lang yung book ko. Okay? So, meron lang akong ito yung pinaka-blockbuster story ko from a borrowed 10,000 to hotel owner. Excited ba kayo? Type nyo, excited ako. Kasi may question ako. Ready na ba kayo sa question ko? Ready? Okay, so ito yung question ko. No? Where will you be 3 to 5 years from now if you continue doing what you're currently doing? So, tanong ko, happy ka ba sa income mo ngayon? Diba? Ano kaya ang Pasko nyo sa December 2024? Pasko natin. Kasi nagpakita na si Jose Marichan no? Kasi Berna next month, no? Masaya kaya kayo or tayo sa Pasko natin? Kaya mo kayang maibigay ang wish list ng mga anak mo? Ang nanay at tatay mo, may bahay na ba sila? Mga anak mo, gusto ng engineering sa isang university, afford mo ba? Or na-stress ka dahil nag-increase na naman ang rent. Tapos ang credit card mo, minimum balance pa rin ang binabayaran mo. Relate ba? Question again, hanggang kailan na ganyan? No? Nympha. Kasi kahit dagdagan mo pa yan ng 3 years, 5 years, Lucita, or even 20 years yung ginawa mo, ganun at ganun pa rin ang buhay mo. Kasi that's my life before Pero may good news ako sa inyo. Alam mo kung ano ang good news ko? Mildred, pwede natin baguhin yan. No? I'm sure you are praying for magandang buhay para sa pamilya mo. Tama ba? Sige nga, type nyo, tama. Happy Christmas, Gina. No? Type nyo, tama. That's the very reason why kasi nandito ka sa meeting na to. Because God show you the solution. God show you lifestyles. Alam ko yan kasi nung nag-pray ako kay God, nabigyan ako ng magandang buhay, pinakita niya sa akin ang lifestyles. Ginawa ko, nagtrabaho ako, nagpaturo, at doon nagsimula ang pagbabago ng buhay ko. At kailan ako nag-resign at nag-lifestyles, doon guminhawa ang buhay namin. Pero kailangan lang talaga maging matapang ka para sa pamilya mo, para mabago ang buhay mo at ng family mo. Dati, kasi nung nag-work pa ako, imagine ha, kahit on the day of my maternity labor, no exaggeration talaga, nasa office ako, nag-overtime. But hindi naman ako yung mayaman eh. But dito, kahit walang nagtanong, I just arrived from Paris to watch Olympics. Almost a month ako doon. But guess what? Millions pa rin ang kita ko pagdating ko. Thank you, Lifestyles, ha? And it has nothing to do of me being an accountant or honor ako nung students ako or having long working experience. Nothing to do with that. But it's because I am in the right opportunity, Alice. I am with Lifestyles. And doon ko nga siya na-realize na ang pagyaman pala, hindi lang pala sipag-sipag lang. No, hindi lang pala tiyaga-tiyaga lang. Yes, ang sipag at tiyaga, kailangan yan. But these are not enough. Importante din. You should be in the right opportunity. And that is something na blessing from above. Lifestyles is God's gift to us. And our right attitude is our gift to God. And if you have the two, the right opportunity and the right attitude, matutupad mo ang pangarap ng pamilya mo. And if you do what is uncomfortable today, tomorrow you'll be comfortable. Because imagine where you may be kung willing ka lang mag-change. No? Willing ka lang mag-change. So sino ba yung willing mag-change? Be uncomfortable. Be uncomfortable with being uncomfortable. Diba? Because you will achieve your dreams, no na, when you go out of your comfort zone. No? Diba? Bakit ba talaga mga tao, January, mahirap mag-change? Bakit nga ba? Tingin ko ang top reason doon is we are afraid to change. Afraid tayo. Naging comfortable na tayo sa okay lang na buhay. Diba? Or maybe denial lang talaga tayo na naghihirap tayo. Or nawalan ka na talaga ng pag-asa. Diba? Sana hindi naman, no? Or maybe short term lang talaga pananaw natin sa buhay na okay pa naman ngayon. Okay pa naman work ko. Pero ang question what if, Rodilyn, bukas your boss will call you dahil wala ka ng trabaho? Anong gawin mo? Wala kang other streams of income, di ba? Or siguro, kasi mga kaibigan mo, ganun din. So okay lang, no? Marami ding utang mga kaibigan ko, so okay lang, di ba? Ang question lang kasi, if happy ka ba dyan? Or hindi mo na inisip yan? Pero sabi nga, Kati, a life that is not examined is not worth living. Or siguro, Mia, the reason you're not willing to change is hindi mo lang talaga alam na you can change. That you have the ability to change. Na pwede merong mag-mentor sa'yo. Paano baguhin ang buhay mo. Hindi ko talaga alam, no, kung ano yung reason mo, Marjorie, but I'm here to tell you na kahit anuman ang buhay mo ngayon, that can change. Sulat niyo, change. Pwede yan, mabago yan. Buhay mo. Michelle, right here, right now. Because your past is not equal to your future. May utang ka ngayon, pwede namang maging debt-free ka if you're willing to make a change. And if hindi mo kayang paralin yung anak mo, pwede mo pa yan mapaaral abroad, Maxwell. Like ako, tuition ng anak ko, pag grade 1, di ba, inutang ko? But ngayon, sa Switzerland siya nag-graduate. So it's not important kung sino ka ngayon. Really, marami ka bang utang, or hindi ka college graduate, or wala kang kalam-alam. None of those are important, Josibel. What is important is, who do you want to become? and you're willing to change and work hard. Kasi if meron kang baguhin sa ginagawa mo, there are so many unlimited, amazing possibilities that can happen in your life. Alam mo kung ano-ano ito? Ito, like more time to spend with your family and friends, di ba? Kasi napaka-importante nito eh. No, di ba? Kasi ang paghahanap ng pera is what makes us busy. Kaya if meron ka ng money, you can spend your time, your free time now with your family and friends. Kasi hindi ka na busy sa paghanap ng pera. May nabasa nga ako eh, ano daw yung secret ng mga 100 years old and above, mga centenarian. Gusto niyo malaman, Emma? Gusto, sulat nyo. Sulat nyo, no? Alam mo kung ano, para maging more than 100 years old ka, na maganda pa rin, of course, tsaka energetic. Number 1, relationship, no? 4 yan eh, no? Relationship, diet, exercise, and of course, your mission, no? So, ako nga, sige, tanong ko, if you rate your relationship with family, rate 1 to 10, sa family mo, 1 is the lowest, 10 is the highest, ilan kaya yung rating mo? Kasi ako, nung nag-work pa ako, siguro ang rating ko, 3. Low, no? Napaka-low, napakababa. Kasi ang sipag ko eh. Pagdating ko sa bahay, tulog na mga anak ko. Pag alis ko sa bahay, tulog pa mga anak ko. But guess what? No? And lifestyles, also almost a month kami sa Europe. We spent 6 days in just one island lang in Greece with my whole family na walang masyadong ginagawa, no? Naxos, wala kaming masyadong ginagawa. Watch lang ng sunset, play lang ng paddleball, swim lang, bonfire, watching the moon, gusto niyan, watching Greek movies, and we also listen to Greek songs, no? But mostly sa beach lang talaga, di ba? Kasi we live lang mga 3 minutes lang by walk sa beach. But you know what? Doon grabe ang bonding ng mga anak ko. Kasi wala silang ibang friends doon eh. Kami lang. No? So yan, no? Kasi nag-lifestyles ako. Ano pa? If you're willing to make a change, Michelle, more income than bills at the end of each month. Yes. Yes. No? Gusto niyo yan? Sino ba yung nag-work pa dito? Type nyo, ako. Ako. No? Ako. Kasi mostly sa mga nag-work kasi marami pang araw sa kalendaryo but ubos na sweldo nila, di ba? Sino nakarelate? Ako yan dati eh, Mary Ann, no? Staple wire na lang natira, no? Pero alam nyo, ano ko lang, pagyabang ko lang, sa Santorini ba? Pag kumain kami, 12,000 pesos, no? Ang 1 meal, isang meal lang yan ha. Half pa kami ng husband ko kasi konti lang talaga ako makain, no? Ano lang, no? Konti lang talagang kain ko. My God, di ba? 12,000, nalala ko tuloy yung inutang ko na tuition, no? Sa grade 1 ng anak ko, 12,000 din yun. But ngayon, isang kainan lang, no? Di ba? Iba talaga level, basta mag-lifestyles ka, di ba? So, if nangutang ka ngayon para pag-tuition, pwede pa yan, magbago buhay mo. No? Hindi ka na mangutang dahil nag-lifestyles ka na. Yes or yes. So ano pa? Ano pa kung you're willing to make a change? Freedom to work when, where, and with whom you choose. No, ito talaga pinaka-dream ko eh. No? Ayaw ko talaga ng mag-work, no? Freedom, gusto ko talaga freedom from boss, Marisa, freedom from 8 to 5 job. Freedom from waking up early, Kathy, freedom from office, freedom from reports, freedom from working until 60. So meaning if you're 30 years old ka pa, imagine you still have to work for 30 years more. If kaya mo yan, good luck. But hindi ko siya kaya, no? And nakita ko ang lifestyles business lang na maliit lang capital, but you can earn millions. This is my passport to freedom. Yes, ang daming challenges. Daming challenges talaga. Rejection after rejection after rejection. But I realized then na kailangan mo pala ang rejection, Sarah, dahil dun ako gumagaling. And so I work hard and harder and hardest. Nagpaturo and never quit. And after 3 years, yes, I am free. Yes, and yes, no? So ano pa if you're willing to make a change? Life without debt? Walang utang. Gusto niyo ba yon? No? Of course. Kasi karamihan pumasok dito sa lifestyles, Norma, alam mo ba, may utang? Ako din. Mia, may utang. Nung pumunta ako sa Amerika to find work, nangutang ako. Nung nag-grade 1 anak ko, nangutang din ako. Nung nag-invest ako dito, Bernadette, nangutang din. Nagpakasal ako, nangutang din. Ang house ko, foreclosed ako sa pag-ibig. Pero, alam mo, ang utang ko, yun na naging kumpas ko na nakita ko si lifestyles. So, Norms, if may utang ka ngayon at malaking malaki at walang katapusang utang, Rene, huwag kang matigas na ulo. Binigay sa iyo yan ni God kasi gusto ni God na mag-lifestyles ka. And huwag matigas ulo. Pag lifestyles na, kasi pag hindi, baka dagdagan pa yan, utang mo, para lang ma-realize sa'yo yung lifestyles. No? Kasi Delia, hindi ka talaga ma-debt-free if wala kang gawing bago. And you know what, John Ray, someday you will say, thank you Lord sa utang ko. Ngayon, debt-free na ako dahil nag-lifestyles ako. Di ba? Ang ganda ng buhay. Unlimited talaga yung possibilities with lifestyles. And if you're willing to make a change, you can also take vacation as often as you like. So, anong country ba gusto niyo magbakasyon? Type nyo, no? Tumitingin si Lord, no? Kung saang country ka. Ako talaga, sobra pasalamat ko. Hi, Miles. Good morning, Miles. Jemty Miles. Pasalamat talaga ako na marami akong travels, no? Sabi ng husband ko, more than 30 countries na pala napuntahan natin. Sabi ko, ay, kunti lang pala. No? Last year, nakita kong office sa Canada. Super laki. Naka-proud talaga. And this year, ang Olympics, ako yung lucky charms ng Philippines kasi 2 gold medals natin. First time ever. Diba? Nandun kami sa opening ceremony talaga. Yes, inulan. But okay lang. Social ang ulan nila dahil galing Paris. Diba? And we also went to Greece. Ang daming islands. More than 2,000. Pinakamagandang island is Santorini. Pumunta kami doon. Nag-yachting kami doon just to watch sunset. Isa sa pinakamagandang sunset, no, ang Santorini. And ang party island nila is Mykonos. Pumunta din kami, pero hindi kami nag-party. No, first time ako naligo sa Mediterranean Sea. Yes, super blue talaga siya. No, and previous sakay kami ng hot air balloon sa Cappadocia in Turkey. No, natakot ako kasi parang mabangga sa bundok ang balloon. 'Di ba? Priceless experience talaga. And yung safari namin sa South Africa, alam mo ba mga lions doon hindi nakakulong, kami rin hindi nakakulong. Buti na lang walang nakain sa amin. At meron kayong closing speaker ngayon. At tinabol kami sa elephant doon dahil nagalit sa amin. Buti na lang mas malakas yung takbo ng sakyan namin. Grabe talaga. Ang Venice, gusto ko rin yun. Imagine, from the airport to the hotel, boat na yung sinakyan namin kasi puro dagat eh. Super ganda talaga. And of course, di makalimutan yung Niagara Falls. Sumakay ng boat para mabasa talaga sa mist ng falls. Thank you Lord. Naging possible ito with lifestyles because I made the change. Di ba? Diba, nandito ka ngayon, ang saya now, kahit ano namang gandang sabihin ko no? Meron pa ring mag-no, pero meron ding mag-yes. Because, ito yung last slide ko, because, sulat nyo, life is a choice. No, sabi ni Mildred, Holy Land, no? Ganda ng Holy Land, life is a choice. Your life today is the result of your attitude and choices of the past. Your life tomorrow will be the result of the choices you make today. So imagine, if hindi ako nag-yes at tiniis ko na lang mag-work, ano kayang buhay ko? Ano kayang buhay ng family ko? Paano if natakot ako mag-resign? Kasi baka wala kaming pang-tuition. Or natakot ako kasi baka pagtawanan ako dahil galing ako ng prestigious auditing firm, sa SGV, ngayon nagtinda na lang ng juice. Pero nangyayari nga yung kinatakutan ko na wala pang tuition, pinagtawanan ako, dumami yung utang namin. Pero alam mo, makinig ka, hindi yan ang worst Ang worst for me is not taking chances na yayaman ako. Again, ang worst for me is not taking chances, nayayaman ako. Nung nakita ko si Lifestyle, siya talaga ang opportunity, nayayaman ako. Because you don't need millions to earn millions. So pwede ako. Pwede ako to start with that millions and yet I'll be earning millions. The opportunity alone to get rich is truly a blessing from above. It's a divine gift. It's a grace. It's a favor. Because you have now the choice na gawin or hindi. To say yes or no. To make a decision. To give an answer. You have now the choice to be rich or not. Meaning you are not a victim anymore kasi meron kang choice. It's all up to you. The decision is yours. Kasi pwede ka man talagang maging milyonaryo dito 3 to 5 years from now. But you have to say yes today. nagaan gawin yung business. Kaya lang, the easiest thing to do here is say no. Di ba? Say no is the easiest thing to do, or I will think about it. Kailangan lang talaga dito tatagan ng loob. Kailangan talaga dito matapang ka para sa pangarap ng pamilya mo. Kaya lang, kunti lang matapang eh. Kaya kunti lang mayaman. So ang tanong na naman, Lucita, what worse that can happen ba if you try and fail, Janeline? Meron ba? Wala naman, di ba? Kasi it is by not trying that you fail, di ba? It is by not trying that you fail. Because when you try and succeed, yes, you get rich. And when you try and fail, yes, you become better. So meaning either way, when you try, you're a winner. So saan ka natakot? Diba? Saan ka na confused? Because the person who is confused, the answer is no. And huwag mo gamitin ang logic, gamitin mo yung emotions, yung heart mo. Kasi sa heart, dyan ang mga dreams natin where God put para mabago buhay natin. So, if excited ka ngayon, yan ang tama na sagot. Sino ba excited? Type nyo, excited ako kasi yan ang tama na sagot. Say yes now, not tomorrow, not next week, not next month. Kasi if today wala ka pa ring decision, you will decide from emotion to logic. And dun ka magsisimulang matakot. Until yung takot mo become bigger and bigger until it will eat up all your dreams. And sana hindi mangyari yan sa iyo, Rodeline, because ang lifestyles ang simula ng pagbabago ng buhay mo. So just say yes. Say yes to lifestyles. Say yes to your dreams. Yes or yes? Type nyo yes. And get back to the person that invited you here and say, what will I do next? So thank you, and God bless us all.